Hello there, you beautiful people, and welcome to this section on numbers. Now, this is a really important section of the course because in here we're going to learn the inner workings of so many things in computing. Things like computer vision, web pages, and even Google Maps all use numbers to get stuff done. Now, this lecture is just an overview of the coming section, and it should serve as a briefing for what is about to come. But by the end of the lecture, you should know what we're doing next and be super excited to jump right in and start using numbers in Python. We're going to start off, as always, with the basics. The first lecture will cover how to do basic arithmetic in Python. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And once you've learned all these, it's quite possible that you'll never need to do maths in your head ever again. And once we've got the basic arithmetic down, we're going to start doing more complicated processes and learn about how we can control the way that the computer will work the answer out. This is very useful and is going to give us a lot of confidence when doing rather complicated things later on. After that, I'm going to introduce you to a new data type called the float. And yes, floats are as cool as they sound. Then we're going to jump in and create our first project. We're going to tie together what we've learned about variables in the last section, along with what we're going to learn about numbers in this section, in order to make a health potion for a video game character. Our project will be able to deal with different game difficulty levels and will really give you a good demonstration of how numbers are used to make things work in computer programs. This project will also introduce us to the Python random module, which we will use to make a random number generator. By doing this, we will learn how to use Python libraries, and this means we can leverage work done by other people to make our code even more awesome. After that, for those of you who are interested, we're going to cover other mathematical topics such as rounding, powers, square roots, some basic trigonometry, and go into more advanced topics using the Python math module. This will be particularly interesting to those of you who have come from scientific or mathematical backgrounds and want to see what Python truly has to offer. Finally, we'll have a section review, and then there's going to be plenty of coding challenges for you to have a go at to check that you fully understand the concepts covered in this section. So hopefully you have a good idea of where we're going to be going in this section, and if you're anything like me, I bet you can't wait to get started. Let's get right into using numbers in Python.